YouTube, what's going on, gang? How y'all feeling today? You know, your boy, back with another video. I've been going over, you see I'm in the Taurus with it. But I'll be going over, just some slight little small things that I personally had to fix on the Taurus that, you know, went wrong with I only had the car like a month and a half ownership, 2,000 miles, so not bad, but I'm going straight over. You know how I do. I'm very transparent with you guys. So let's get straight to it. Okay guys, first things first, when I first got the car, it was real simple, but the left license plate light was completely out. So you see how old the car is, like, see those freaking sockets, they look like they stuck on there, like they never been changed. But yeah, this one was out, so you know, real easy, just had to, you know, Phillips screw. Still it's old stuck up there to take a flathead, you know, pry it down a little bit, but very easy. You know, it just came straight out, and then, you know, just popped the old bulb out, bing, pop. I got plenty of stock bulbs. Pop stock bulb in, boom, real simple fix. That was just one simple thing I had to fix from the auction. Just the license plate light bulb is out. Very easy. Okay, and I guess the second thing I did, you can still kind of a little bit see the shadow, not really, but like right here was a sticker. I guess the old owner had on there. It's like not even like a sticker, it was like real thick, probably like a magnet or something that was stuck on there. So I just used some Goo Gone, let it soak on there, and just kept etching away at it. So I think so dirty the car is, just for me move my finger in a circle, you see the circle. But yeah guys, I got that pretty much off of there with Goo Gone. So second thing I removed, if my son ain't say nothing, you probably wouldn't even really be able to tell really. Yeah, it was like a magnet on there that I removed, so that's number two. Real simple, just Goo Gone, you know, paper towels and like a plastic like razor, and got that off real good. Okay, and number three I would say would be some headlight restoration. They're not clean right now, but I'll include some pictures of before and after. This is obviously the after, but it looked way worse than this before. Not way worse, but you know, they look better now. And I just had some old Total Wax headlight restoration, like a little kit that I used. So it came with the 2 pads, the 1, 2, and then the other 1, 2 pads, so 3, 4. So you know, you just spray it on there, second pad up and down, third pad, same thing, fourth pad up and down, and then use the little compound it gave me, rubbed in there with a microfiber. And like 2 days later, I ordered these drill brushes from Amazon, so did that and cleaned those up real good. Okay, and number 4 guys, I did actually end up changing these to the blue LED door joints. But I had to change them back because I think they were blowing a fuse, and that would be my 4th thing. So yeah guys, I changed these out, grabbed some eBay lights, but these lights, maybe they're so old that they were different from the lights I ordered. The ones I ordered pretty much look like this, but they had 2, you know, that red and the black lead coming out of them, then you plug it into the things. These, they're just literally just this housing with 2 prongs coming out of it. So I'm not sure, because I got like the different ones with the red and blue, with the red and black wires, and I plugged those in. They was working for a few days, and then I noticed like it blew a fuse. So then my power mirror wasn't working, my windows weren't working, and my antenna wouldn't go up. So I did end up changing these, but I did change them back now. So I'm just probably leave these stock until whenever. I don't really care for real, so it just looks normal stock. But they were like a nice bright blue, but I think I pretty much blew my fuse, and I'm gonna show you guys what I really had to do. So I figured that out. I came out one time, like, I'm gonna start my car, and then the windows just wouldn't move like this. They just wouldn't move. Like, you couldn't hear no motor or nothing. They just wouldn't move. And I tried to do my power mirrors, they wouldn't move. And then I noticed, yeah, my antenna would just stay down like this. So I figured, I'm like, oh no, what's wrong? So did a little bit of research and came down here to the fuse box, this black box right there. You know, pop that off, and then it'll be a red 10 fuse all the way on the right hand side. You'll see it, because I think it's pretty much the only one. Right hand side, just pop that out. Pop that out. And I mean, I never unplugged the battery before when changing anything, like any lights or anything. So when I popped it out, put the new fuse in, it worked for like 2 seconds, and it stopped working again. So I'm like, all right, well, I don't know what happened. So took that fuse I just put in there, took that out and put the new one in, and then I think it might have blew again because it lit up for a split second, and then it went off, and then the window still ain't work. So then next following day I came out, took the negative term off the battery, removed those blue puddle lights I had in the mirrors, and put the stock ones back in to see if that was tripping it. Even though you feel me, LEDs require less power, but I don't know, maybe since it's an old car, I just did a process of elimination, you know, troubleshooted it. So long story short, put the stock mirrors, lights back in the mirrors, pop that fuse off and put a new one back in, put the battery back on, and then yeah, everything works. So that's just another thing, I had to change the fuse, blown fuse. So now that works. Yeah, I think that was what, number 5. And then yeah, I guess going on to number 5. So I mean, I was installing LEDs, but that was a dud. So what I was able to do, I was able to put the blue LEDs in these bad boys and the domes. So those LEDs I do have in, that did work. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything I just had to fix on this bad boy. Just simple stuff. Also cleaned the MAF sensor in here, just popped these clips off, and I did that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much everything I had to fix on this bad boy, just myself. Real simple. As you can see, starts up, cranks up real good. So yeah, guys, next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over the tint I installed. So eBay self-cut tint, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, guys.